this is just a quick little snippet. I wanted to show you guys an idea I've had, because I want to get back into fishing on my trips, especially in all the lakes and streams I come across and seek out. So what I did is I got out my collapsible backpacking fishing kit, and I attached the spinner to the rod, and then I got one of those adhesive tapes that you could put on the wall and stick your broom handle to it or whatever. And then I got this bungee. And what I did is I drilled a hole in the back of this, put the other end of the bungee to the very last ring, and hooked it into that, and that keeps it from going out and smashing. Also, I got another bungee wrapped around here, you can see that, and that keeps this from moving, so the line here doesn't go slack. So I've been figuring out where the heck to put it, and I think I found a place where it's out of the way and inconspicuous, and it's easy to get to, and it's going to be right over here. I've drilled 2 holes in the back here, and I'm going to mount it right up here. Figure I mount it to wood, it'll be very stable. I'm going to mount it right up there, so it'll be easy to get to. It won't be damaged, it won't be in the way, and I can just unsnap the bungee cords and then just pull it right out of the contraption here. Let me see if I can do this. I'll take that off so I can use the spinner. Take this off, and then all I gotta do is pull it out. Okay, because this will be up here, and then all I gotta do is go up and push it in, and it'll lock right in place. So that's my newest great idea. Well, what I've done is I've got my punch here, and I've made one hole deep enough to screw my screw into, so it holds it very tight against the underneath of the cabinet here. So now I've made a mark where the next one's going to go, and I've got to make that big enough for the screw to go into, so I know it's held firmly for pulling it down and pushing it in. So that's the nice thing about having an older RV. You're not so bugged out about putting holes and trying different things in something you just paid $150,000, $160,000 for. I just gotta be careful I don't smash my finger. Then you might hear some real colorful language. Luckily this stuff's about 1 inch thick, so I don't have to worry. Let's see, kind of wiggle it around, make sure it's plenty big. That's such a good hit. Okay, let's try that. Swing it around. Get my screwdriver. Get my screw. And let's see if we can put this in. There, nice and firm. No sweat, no problem. Whoa, okay, I straightened that out, and I got it mounted up there, out of the way, firm. I don't believe it's going to pop out on heavy roads or anything, but I've got the little, I forget what they call them, darn clips that you use in laundry rooms and that to put your brooms up on. And then I put in a little self-binding Velcro strip for the other end of it that holds it up there tightly, so the other part won't snap out, if that makes any sense. So let me show you what the finished product looks like. So there's the finished product. I've mounted it back here underneath one of my upper cabinets into the bottom of it, so it's nice and solid. Added a small strip of Velcro that I screwed into the under part, so it stays there, and I can wrap that around the handle and it holds it in there very firmly no matter how busy and bumpy the road is we go across. Then to take it down, simply I unstrap the Velcro, I pull it directly down out of the little white holder, take off the bungees, and then extend the pole, put on my lures, and go fishing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little brainstorming idea of mine. Maybe it'll fit in some of your contraptions. And it saves space, is easy, accessible, and will not get damaged this way. So take care. You never know what other good ideas you're going to get from us on this channel. So as the girls and I always say, we wish you happy trails and woof woof. Catch you later.